Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see and cancel send friend requests on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on your menu at the below right corner. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into the settings gear at the top right. Okay, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scroll a little bit down, a little bit down, a little bit down till you find the activity. Okay, and from here you're going to see the activity log. Click on it, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to see right here your activity across Facebook, and from here click on it and it's going to open up a new window for you. Just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down till you find the friends. Okay, and let me just go ahead right here, and if you didn't find it, just go ahead right here, profile information, and if you want connection, just go ahead, click on the connection, and you're gonna find it eventually on the friends section. Click on it, and basically you're gonna see right here all the activities across your Facebook. Right here it says I sent a friend request to that person right here, and you're gonna see all the activity across the Facebook, and you can just filter the search by categories, and you can categorize it, or if you want to see the removed friends, okay, just go ahead right here and click on it, and basically you will see that I don't have one, right? And you can just click the filter again and just go ahead right here and received friend request if you want to see, or if you want to see the send friend request, you're gonna see it right here. I sent a one friend request. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.